How to manage data stored on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage data stored on Google Chrome mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these three points here, and now click this one, settings, and then go down until you find this one, site settings, and you'll find here this one, data stored. Click on it, and as you see here, you can manage data stored on Google Chrome mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.